to today's video. Vick. Well, I noticed that our subscribers has really been increasing. I want to say big shout out to my new subscribers. I really appreciate you people. I want to really say thank you so much for joining this channel. So everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to produce your own exfoliating body scrub. Kindly watch to the end because it's going to give you a flawless, glowing, smooth and beautiful looking skin. Okay, so how to produce your own exfoliating body scrub. So a person to not really know what is exfoliating, let me just break it down a little. Exfoliating is like the process of removing your dead skin cells. Like, you know, most times our cream that we use is supposed to lighten all part of our body, but why that doesn't happen is because some part of our body is relatively dry and some part of our body have dry skins that is preventing this cream from absorbing into the skin. So by exfoliating, we mean that you should use scrub to scrub and rub on those key areas that's dry, so that any cream you're rubbing can absorb it quickly. This is actually recommended for those of us that have darker parts like knuckles in some parts of our body. So using this regularly will help cream to absorb into that area and lighten it and make it look blended. So kindly watch this video to the end. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to this channel and drop your comments. Tell me what you think and tell me what video you expect me to show in this channel. Let's go straight to the video. Yeah, the first product you're going to be needing in this process is your brown sugar. Why do I recommend brown sugar? Brown sugar is actually a bit crispy and stronger than the natural, than the white sugar. It simply means that it doesn't really dissolve quickly like the white sugar does. So I recommend you get brown sugar instead of the white one. And then the next product you're going to be needing is your honey. I've already sliced this lemon into two. So I'm just going to add a little because I have one already made. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be squeezing this lemon inside this plate. Okay, so that's it. Use it mostly at night. Then this is my honey. I'm just going to apply honey inside this. Then the next I'm going to turn it. Okay, if you don't want it to be this watery, you can still add more of your brown sugar into it. You can still add brown sugar, see? Say that. So I'm just going to show you. So you see, this is your scrub. Next thing you're going to be needing is this file here on that part, like the part you have knuckle, and you're going to scrub the areas I got patches, like the areas that are not lighter. So after scrubbing this, what you're going to do, after you finish scrubbing, take your shower. I told you that this should be done in the night. So after you finish in the night, okay, you bathe. If it's not plenty, concentrate more on your hands and your feet. After bathing, apply your body cream all over your. If you have a hand glove, wear it too. This will make your skin to look beautiful, and this will make your complexion to align without spending so much. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If this video helps, kindly like this video, share it with your friends and loved ones, because I'm sure it's going to help a lot of persons. Help me share this video to your friends and loved ones.